Hi, so we're going to go to Loop MIDI Tools, download that, and then install it. We're going to grab MIDI Tools from Mountain Utilities. We're going to download and install that. Then to set up a Loop MIDI device, we're going to click the plus sign here and create a Loop MIDI port. We can remove and re-add it. Here's a Loop MIDI port. Alright. And we're going to open up the Mountain Tools. I've already had this up and running, so we're going to restart it. We'll go to Options, MIDI Devices, and on Output, we're going to just check that checkbox. And we're going to click this little keyboard here, and it will give us a keyboard. When we push a button on there, or when we toggle a slider, as long as we have Loop MIDI port selected, it will work. We'll notice we're on channel 1. And to prove this working, let's open up OBS real quick and take a look inside the OBS-MIDI plugin. We'll see how we go and do that here. So OBS settings, here we've got Loop MIDI port 1. I've clicked enabled. I've set the output to Loop MIDI 1. Come over here to configure. Alright. We click listen many, you'll notice here we get note on, note off, we get pitch bend, get control change, so yeah, this will give us all the stuff we need to be able to run and map things. For example, if we want to map disable preview to something, let's choose that note. It'll hit add mapping. Okay. Disable preview. That's note or control 0. Let's see. Listen many 1. Add mapping. So here we get add mapping for note or control 1. And that should disable preview. I'm not sure if I've actually got disable preview working at the moment. But let's set that to mute media source instead. Let's set a different one actually. So here, we'll choose this one. And we will choose toggle mute for media source. Add mapping. And 2. You'll see right here. This is a toggle, so it's supposed to work like that. And you can see as we press it, it changes. What we can also do is we can, I've already got this mapping up, we can see that that sets volume. And there you go. That's a quick and easy way to create a Loop MIDI device for testing with a virtual MIDI device on Windows.